noticed a small drip from one of the rear brakes, so I whipped the wheel off and had a look and noticed that one of the main piston at the front was weeping a bit of brake fluid. So grounded her, ordered a caliper off the internet, and I'm about to give that a fit now. So you can see now with maintenance how to look after your van as well, or how to attempt some of the jobs yourself. Okay, I'm going to make a start. Don't think you're all sitting in there while I jack this van up. I need as less weight in here as possible. There you go. There you can see there's brake fluid leaking, look. Before you take her apart, get a good spanner, fix it onto there. See there, look? That's it. Just give it a little crack, see? Look. So you know that's going to come undone easy when you've got the caliper off. Okay, the leak is coming from here, look, that centre seal, look. So the next one is these two bolts here. You've got one bolt there and you've got one bolt there. So we'll just loosen them now. The reason these are coming away a lot easier than a conventional one is because I stripped these down and treated them before this leak occurred. Another thing you could do with is a bucket to put the caliper onto. Let's go and get our trusty bucket. Caliper slides out, pads away, and there you can see the leak there, look. There you go. That'll push in like that. So that's ready now for assembly. What I'll do is, while I've got that off, put the black caps on. Undo this. Tighten up that brake pipe so it's just there. Insert the other shoe. There you go. And you can use a little unofficial aid just to push that along. And then just gently release that out.